Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this React Native video we are going to learn that what are the components in React and React Native. Right? Why I'm just saying that React and React Native, because in the both case the components are same. Alright, so we are just going to do the three things in this video. So first of all, we will just understand what is the component, then we will make an example of component, and then we will see the types of the component. Alright, so basically what are the components? So components are the basically building blocks, or you can say that a set of code that we can reuse. Alright, if you just want to take an example, then you can just understand like this screen is a complete application, and this emulator is a one component, and this explorer is another component, and the editable part is the another component. All right, and we can reuse it again and again and again. All right, so this is all about the component. And if you are looking in a specific example in the language of React Native, then you can say that search is an component, because we can apply a search anywhere on our home screen, on our product screen, on our category screen, and alright, and anywhere. All right, so filter is also another component, so we can reuse the filter for filtering the results, filtering the products, filtering the category, filtering the price, and all right, so these are the components. And so now I hope just you understand that what is the component. Now let's make a component. This will be gonna a very simple component, and you can understand that how we can use the component, how we can import the component, and all right. So by default, first of all, let's just zoom it out so you can just see the code completely. This is my explorer, and in the last video we just understand the file and the code structure. If you did not watch this video, then you can watch the previous video, link you can get in the description box. So this is my app.js file, and I just want to import and use a component here. All right, this is not usable code, I can just remove it. All right, so first of all, I just want to make a folder so that my all component can be placed on a one place. So my folder name can be component, and components, whatever you just want to put. And I am just going to make a component like profile.js. Right, so first of all, I just have to import the React, like this is imported here. All right, so just import here, import React from React. Now I have to import one or two elements from React Native also, like view and text are the basic one. So just import view comma text from React. Okay, that's my bad. React Native. All right, and now I am just going to make a component, a kind of functional. So let's take a const, a variable like profile, and it can be a function. You can see that the arrow function, and let's return something here. Not render. Inside the return, I can just simply use the view part, and here I can choose the text part, and here let's say just write something nice, profile component. Right, okay, so in the profile component I can just make a little bit font size increased. Let's font size can be like 50. All right, so component is ready, but now how we can use it? So for the use, I have to import here on my application file, import, and from components. Okay, that's why I have to choose like this. My file name is folder name is component. It should be a small c. Yeah, now I can just simply use like profile, right? So you don't need to put here .js. Right, But with that case, I just forgot to one thing. This we have to just import the something, right? So I can just import here. mm, so first of all I have to export, so just export default profile, right? Now here I can just import it like this, uh, profile, and let's use this profile like this, and just okay, so just format it, and now you can see that we got the text here. All right, so if I just put it 2 times, then it will be just render 2 times, so that you can see that we can just render it anywhere. So this is the reusable. All right, so this is the silliest example, but we will in the next upcoming video we will just see some mature example also. Like, okay, so why just I put here export default? Why I cannot just export it normally? So if I just export it normally, then it's actually not going to work. So that I just have to, because at least we have to import the one component default. So we can also import the another component without default. So I am just going to make a copy of it. So let's make about or something like this, and I can just put a about component here, and here I can just simply write here export, right? And now here, if the item is exported by default, then we have to import without brackets, and if this is the export normal, then we have to import it inside the curly brackets, and I can just simply use it like this, right? So now you can see that the about component also. So this is the way that how we can import the component. What are the components? If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Yeah, one more thing, the types of component are still pending. Actually in the React we have the two kind of component. One is the class component, another is the functional component. They both have own superiorities, some our advantage, props and cons. So we will see them in the next video. So what are the class component, what are the functional components? So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video. Bye bye, take care.